This is one of my most requested videos ever. Hi, I'm a board-certified dermatologist. And today I am going to share with you some home tricks that made my hands look 20 again. Now, there are certain things that we do every single day that may not cost a lot of money, but it makes a big difference in how our skin looks. So let's get right into it. 1. 7 homemade remedies. This is a clear list format. We love to watch this kind of videos. We also love to share this kind of videos because it's easy to digest. It's actionable. You can just take something from the video and do it that day. So this kind of format does really well. 2. Wrinkled hands. This is something that affects many people. It doesn't matter if you're 30, 40, 50, or 60. If your hands look older than you are, it shows your age. So this is something that everybody wants to know how to improve. So this is a great title. 3. Homemade. People like natural stuff. They want to make things at home. They don't want to buy a lot of expensive products. So the more natural and homemade the better. 4. Since we're talking about skin and hands, obviously this is skincare. This is beauty. So if you're already in the beauty niche, you're already in the skincare niche. This is gonna be a perfect video for you. 5. How to use them. Actionable. People want to know how to use them, what to do, how to implement these things in their daily lives. So promise an actionable video. 6. High search intent. Search intent means people are actually looking for this information, and they want to know the answer. Is it possible? Yes, it is. Can I really improve my wrinkled hands? Yes, you can. So this has a very high search intent. 7. Evergreen. This is a topic that will never die. Hands will always show signs of aging. There's always going to be somebody wanting to see how they can improve their hands. So this is definitely an evergreen topic. 8. Women 40 plus. Since we're talking about signs of aging, this is mostly going to affect people who are 40 and above. But if you're in your 30s and you have aged hands, this is something that will help you as well. So think about women 40 plus. And lastly, ask ChatGPT. I recently started doing this. Ask ChatGPT, and I got so many amazing titles from ChatGPT. You should try it. Ask ChatGPT. What are some titles for a video about homemade remedies for aged hands? And then you can pick your favorite ones and you can use it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.